Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Just want to make a quick video on XRP. Now, there's some pretty important developments over the last few days. XRP dropped 30% today because the SEC is suing XRP, and the market crashed, right? So it had a really hard drop. Now, a lot of people are freaking out and saying that XRP is going to die and all the rest. Now, I agree, totally fundamentally, this is very bad news. Now, I want to talk technically about it and just look at the chart. So I bought XRP here, down in here, and I sold again. I made about 10% on it. I bought the dip, and I bought down here, and I probably should have held a bit longer. But anyway, it's all well and good at this point. I took my 10% and ran. Beautiful day trade, just to make up for a couple of other trades that happened today when the market was crashing pretty hard. I had a couple of scalps. But this is kind of, it's trying to form a bottom. I shouldn't say it definitely, but I want to show you what I'm looking at here, and this could be very important. Now, I will be looking to trade this over the next few days and even today. Now, we had broke out of the red 200 moving average, and we broke out into an uptrend and created a higher high. You can see for the first time in XRP's history, basically we created a higher high. We dropped today, and what happened? We retested the red 200 moving average on a 3-day chart. Very important. Now, not only did we retest the red 200 moving average, we retested the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. XRP is potentially, I will say potentially, giving you a gift, giving you an absolute gift in the market that often you do not get, right? Look at this drop back into the neckline, into the red 200 moving average. The support on here, this is, potentially, technically, this is quite fantastic and given an amazing opportunity, right? Of course, always trade sensibly and carefully and safely with correct risk management, correct leverage, and all the rest. But you look at this. This is a retest of a neckline. I agree. It's obviously it's pretty bad. There's a lot of FUD in the market and all the rest because of the SEC news. Now, it might have been overshot because of the news. It might have been panic selling, and maybe, just maybe, this could form a bit of a bottom and bark back up or something. I'm not sure how it's going to play out just yet, but this is a retest of a neckline, which can potentially be a bullish pattern, and people might not see this as a bullish pattern just yet. Remember, this is a higher high, and that we are back testing the support. This is support. There is no question about this, guys. There is support down here, right down in here. This is support. There's no question about that. So I just want to present this opportunity to you. If you need help trading this, just take the 3-day free trial and come on in, and we will make videos for you. There may even be buy and sell alerts, and we also have a group of fantastic members on there. We also have 4,000 courses. Sorry, let me flip to. I want to see a monthly. We also have 4,000 courses in there, guys, from banks, institutions, and professional traders. One of the best libraries of education on the entire internet. We really do believe in education. Without education, you will not succeed in this market. So yeah, and we also have tons of buy and sell alerts every single day. So if you're interested in that, guys, just take the 3-day free trial. Guys, this is extremely interesting. A big breakout and a pullback. We are 8 days away from the new year, right? Very important. Actually, let me look at the yearly. If we have a bounce back up, guys, there's no reason why this can't have a green candle back up on the next month, right? I know it's XRP and it is a pump and dump coin. Yes, we need to be careful, but that's why you need to have correct risk management and trade the charts properly, and that's what we will teach you. Now, if we have a reaction off this level, that's if we have a reaction. You can see this, right in here, the level we're into here on a monthly basis. Very important. Breakout and a retest. Now, if we can have some sort of reaction off here, maybe on a new month, we could open up and flip green and have a green candle. Now, I just want to look through this here. You can see that we actually have a bullish candle on a yearly. This is a yearly chart on XRP, and it's actually a bullish candle. So there is the potential that this could open up on a new year and actually have another green candle back up and move back into a bullish market. So there is signs here technically, right? I know the news is extremely bad, extremely bad. But there is some technical, analysis here that are saying, maybe XRP is actually given a very good buying opportunity. So we can see that right here. Now I know the drop is very bad, and we need to be careful. But we will play this, and we will see this over the next few days how it develops, and we will look for some safe entries. So I'm going to cut this video off, guys. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, but I'll sure be on making videos before that. And don't forget to like and subscribe for future content, and take the 3-day free trial if you're interested. We can make you some videos on altcoins, and we're in there every single day, 365 days a year. We have buy and sell alerts every single day, an active group, and so just come on and check it out. Have a wonderful Christmas, guys. I hope you're all doing well. Enjoy loads of food and beer and everything else, and have a great time and relax. And then we'll get back to it on the new year. Have a great day, guys. Over and out.